Okay, guys, so what I've done is I kind of got some credits and I've put it in a key, and now I'm gonna try and run this. Obviously, I won't be able to share the key as of now. So, mm, experiments.py. I won't provide guidance on that. Okay, wow. Okay, so I think I was helping. This should work maybe. Okay, so I don't know why, but I think Mistral was better. Don't you think? Mistral AI. So I mean, okay. Uh, I think Mistral was better. No, I'm just gonna actually add both of these from lang chain underscore Mistral AI import chat Mistral AI, then model open AI, and then model Mistral AI. Let's do chat Mistral AI. The model name was and then hmm, and okay, yeah, look at this. This is way more detailed, I'd say. So I'd say Mistral AI is better. Okay, but there's also this thing that I saw. Could be that it's more of this based, perhaps because of that code based. That's why I think Mistral is more into that. Nevertheless, let's move on. So this then we see. So now we have to add memory to it. So uh, in we just saw in the last one, last video that if the memory is like if you are supposed to add not just chat history but more than that, then we can use memory. But if we just wish to add basically the chat history, then we add lang chain code messages import this part, chat history. So this would actually make this thing. So what we can do is uh, we can follow two experiments. We can firstly make a chatbot which would just have the basic memory, just the chat history, and then we can move on to this one. Um, mm, yeah, I wonder if, let's say, if we have a chatbot, then chat history is stored in just the chat history part, whereas memory stores all other sort of things. If memory starts storing chat history as well, that would be something. Let's see. Let's begin first. We'll follow the this part. Okay, so over here they make an instance of memory conversation. Then this is chain is made. Uh, this particular chat, the conversation chain will basically have the chat, verbose memory. Okay, so what's happening is the chain actually has conversation chain. I want to see the langchain dot chains conversation chain. Langchain dot chains conversation chain. Yeah. Okay, so what's happening is chat history, in memory chat history, runnables history, runnable with message history, OpenAI. Okay, outside the chain we get session. No, what I want to see is runnable with message history. Okay, even this thing is getting old. This 2024 book from Sims to 2024. Fuck. That's yeah. It's fair enough. Let's first go with that. Then let's do the book says from langchain.memory import conversation buffer memory. Not to be honest, another a better thing would be if I'm able to. Wait. Let's see if I can. Yeah. So this goes in half. Hmm? क्या गाड़ियाँ यस अभी नहीं करी हाँ yeah this should work. Yeah, this is better. Hmm. Okay, so I've added these two. Then what I need to do is I need to make a memory. So let's say a memory equals to conversation buffer memory, right? And then I make a change. So basically, a chat is just a chain of conversations, right? So conversation equals to conversation chain, there we go, wherein equals to chat, wherein the LLM equals to model, let's say Mistral AI. Okay, verbose equals to true, memory equals to memory, and this part comes after this. Let's say I'm just checking what this gives, and I'm gonna put these, this and this. Let's see. Okay. but I'm unable to get a proper response. I'm quite surprised. Where's the? No, so this works, and it's saying, but the AI is not answering. That's the bigger thing. Why is it not answering? Okay. Okay, I think I'll have to use OpenAI now. Okay, so if I can understand it, uh, I am making an error for sure. Insert model Mistral AI, right? See, hi there, that works. Then I say, then it has to give a proper answer. Then this gives an answer. Then how to train an LLM from scratch. Okay. Okay, so what it does is it's not able to generate the last response properly, as far as I can understand. No, no. Okay, so last example is not running properly. Then I say, okay. So if I write a loop that goes like this, it should work. Then adding non-parametric knowledge. Adding non-parametric knowledge. Yeah, we should add non-parametric knowledge to it. Okay. Let me just copy this code. And instead of this, I put in this. Okay. Okay, this is freaking awesome, man. This LangChain is, sorry, Mistral is actually really good. Let me see how much of it have I used. I hope not much, because I'm gonna be using this a lot. Oh, this is freaking crazy. Okay, nevertheless, let me just quit this. Yeah, so this works. This works pretty well. So basically, LangChain provides us a whole second platform. This is really good. Okay, now I'm gonna add non-parametric knowledge. Okay, so now what this is trying to do is it's going to add, let's say, document into it. So it says that either embed a document in vector db. So I'm just gonna highlight that. No, not this color. Or directly use a retriever to do the job. Okay, so basically what this is, the vector store backed retriever using a particular chain conversation. Okay. This type of chain leverages over the provided knowledge based on the chat history. Passed as a parameter. Okay. Okay, so they are just gonna take up a document. Then mm, they're gonna text split it. They're gonna similarity search it, store it in a memory, use GPT, embed it. Okay, let's see. Recursive character splitter, chunk size 1500, overlap 200, draw document. So they load the document, they split the document, they do search, and then they make it into an open embedding, open AI embeddings. Okay, okay, open AI embeddings. Okay, then they put everything. They put a conversation buffer memory cases, chat history. Where do they load? Okay, okay, conversation retrieval chain from LLM. Wait, let me reread this. So we either embed the document in a vector database or use a retriever to do the job. In this case, we are going to do a vector stored back retriever using a particular chain conversation. So it's like a both combination, right? This type of chain leverages a retriever over the provided knowledge base that has the chart history, which can be passed as a parameter using the desired type of memory previously seen. Okay, that's nice. So they'll take that LLM retriever and questions. Give me some review about the Pantheon. Okay, fair enough. That's actually pretty neat. Okay, okay. So, got it, makes sense. Okay, I think I understand. So, if we have a .n file, let's say, let me search GitHub. Uh, okay, and Ah, shit. Okay. So, whatever keys that I used until now, if I just put them in a .n file and yeah, so probably this will do the job. Oh, that's sweet. Okay. Okay, I'll try this now. Yeah, this is a good part, I think. You know, you develop a front end and then probably and besides that, I'm gonna one of the projects that I've already talked about is a Reddit-based search engine, and the other one that I'm gonna be using is what I'm gonna add to it would be like all these sort of engines, and then probably do some code GitHub, sorry, code Copilot sort of a project. So these two projects, I suppose, would be really big and good enough. I'm just gonna pause for a bit and then I'm gonna restart.